What if I told you the key to mastering your mind wasn't locked inside some ancient temple or hidden in a dusty old manuscript, but right here, within your reach? Sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? Yet, many of us spend our lives wrestling with scattered thoughts, emotional overwhelm, and the chaos of modern living, never realizing the power to change it lies in harnessing our energy field. Here's the twist: it's not just about thinking positively or meditating, it's about engaging in time-tested, transformative practices that sync your energy with the universe itself. Imagine the possibility of walking into any situation, unshaken and mentally sharp, like a calm eye in the storm. Sounds empowering, right? Yet, so many feel trapped by the weight of mental fog, not knowing how to clear it. The answer doesn't lie in working harder, it's about working smarter with tools that have been quietly transforming lives for centuries. From the silent wisdom of crystal healing to the mesmerizing focus of candle-gazing meditation, the techniques you're about to explore offer a roadmap to clarity and control. But here's the best part: these aren't just abstract theories. They're practical, easy-to-apply rituals that fit into your daily routine, no matter how busy life gets. Intrigued? You're about to discover how ancient wisdom, modern insights, and your untapped potential collide to create a system of energy mastery like no other. Ready to dive in? Crystal healing. Crystals have a way of speaking to us, don't they? Not in words, but through their energy, a silent resonance that draws you in. Imagine holding a piece of clear quartz in your hand, feeling its cool surface and sensing its power amplify your intentions. It's not just a rock, it's a tool to focus your energy and guide your thoughts. Amethyst, with its rich purple hue, whispers calmness and clarity, helping to quiet the storm of overthinking. And black tourmaline? Think of it as your energetic bodyguard, shielding you from negativity while grounding you in the present. When life feels like a whirlwind, crystals can serve as anchors. Picture yourself meditating with a cluster of amethyst resting near your heart. As you breathe deeply, visualize its energy swirling through you, softening stress and bringing balance. This isn't just imagination, it's the energy science many cultures have practiced for centuries. Studies even hint at the piezoelectric properties of quartz, amplifying and stabilizing energy fields around it. Sounds almost like magic, doesn't it? Yet, it's grounded in ancient wisdom and modern curiosity. For practical use, consider starting small. Carry a piece of black tourmaline in your pocket when navigating tense environments or place clear quartz by your bedside for focused dreams. The key is intention, letting these tools work with your energy, not for you. Now, doesn't that make you curious about how these stones intertwine with ancient practices like sacred geometry? The connection might surprise you. Sacred geometry visualization. Have you ever stared at a snowflake or a honeycomb and felt mesmerized by its perfect symmetry? That's sacred geometry at play, a language of the universe, etched into nature itself. Visualizing patterns like the flower of life or Metatron's cube isn't just eye candy, it's a way to align your energy with the cosmos. Imagine these intricate forms spinning gently in your mind's eye, their symmetry soothing your scattered thoughts. They aren't just designs, they're energetic blueprints, capable of stabilizing and harmonizing your mental state. Think of sacred geometry as a tuning fork for your energy field. By focusing on these shapes, you can channel and refine the flow of energy within and around you. For instance, during meditation, envision the flower of life expanding from your heart, each petal glowing with light. This visualization can foster clarity and strengthen your connection to the world around you. Studies in fractal geometry even suggest that exposure to symmetrical patterns can promote a sense of well-being and mental balance. It's a meeting of science and mystery, offering profound benefits. If you're curious about how to start, grab a printout of Metatron's cube or a crystal grid featuring these sacred patterns. Gaze at it during meditation or trace it in your mind before sleep. This practice can enhance your focus and deepen your connection to universal energy. But wait until you see how it complements techniques like candle-gazing meditation. It's the perfect bridge to mastering energy control. Trataka. There's something almost hypnotic about staring at a candle flame, isn't there? That tiny flicker of light, swaying gently, seems to draw you in like a moth to its glow. Candle gazing, or Trataka meditation, is more than just a mesmerizing pastime. It's an ancient technique to sharpen your focus and tame the mind's endless chatter. By locking your gaze on the flame, you're not just staring, you're training your mind to become a laser, cutting through the fog of distraction. Picture this: you're in a dimly lit room, the soft glow of a single candle illuminating the space. You sit comfortably, spine straight, eyes fixed on the flame. Thoughts may come, but you gently redirect your focus back to the light. Over time, your mind becomes quieter, like ripples on a pond settling into stillness. Trataka isn't just about mental clarity, it's also believed to cleanse your energy field, aligning it with your intentions. Some even say it enhances your third eye awareness, deepening your intuition. If you're ready to try it, all you need is a candle and a quiet space. Start with just 5 minutes, building up to longer sessions as your focus strengthens. The best part? Candle gazing pairs beautifully with other techniques like moon cycle energy alignment, creating a seamless flow of practices to elevate your mental and energetic control. Curious how lunar energy can take this to the next level? Let's explore. Lunar alignment. The moon, that constant companion in the night sky, does more than light our way. It moves oceans, influences tides, and, some say, shifts the rhythms of our inner world. Aligning with the moon's cycles can be like syncing to a cosmic clock, enhancing your energy flow. During the new moon, it's time to plant seeds, set intentions for growth and transformation. As the full moon arrives, it's your cue to release what no longer serves you, like shedding old skin to reveal something new. Think of the moon's phases as a dance, each step offering its unique energy. The waxing crescent invites momentum, urging you to chase goals, while the waning gibbous whispers of introspection. Farmers have long planted crops by the moon's rhythms, and many believe we, too, can nurture our mental clarity and emotional balance by aligning with its cycles. Journaling during these phases can help capture the energy shifts. What do you notice during the waxing phase versus the waning? For a practical approach, create a small ritual around each phase. On the new moon, light a candle and write down your intentions. During the full moon, take a salt bath, visualizing negativity washing away. As you build these habits, they become a rhythm that tunes you to the universe's flow. But what happens when you combine lunar alignment with energy cleansing rituals? The synergy might surprise you. Energy cleansing rituals. Ever walked into a room and felt an unexplainable heaviness, like the air itself carried tension? That's stagnant energy at work, and just like a cluttered home, your energy field needs regular tidying up. Energy cleansing rituals, whether it's smudging with sage, bathing in salt water, or even sound healing, act like a spring cleaning for your aura. These practices don't just refresh your space, they clear your mind and elevate your mental clarity, too. Smudging is one of the simplest yet most profound ways to shift energy. Imagine lighting a bundle of sage, its earthy aroma swirling through your space like a gentle whisper, sweeping away negativity. Or picture stepping into a warm salt bath after a long day, each grain dissolving not just in water but in the stagnant energy clinging to you. Studies on negative ions released by salt even hint at their ability to boost mood and alleviate stress. It's more science than superstition. Want to try it yourself? For smudging, all you need is sage or Palo Santo. Light it, let the smoke waft through your space, and focus on your intentions. For a salt bath, add a cup of sea salt to your tub, maybe with a few drops of lavender oil, and soak while visualizing a brighter, clearer energy field. And here's the beauty: when paired with techniques like moon cycle energy alignment, these rituals take on an even deeper meaning, creating a holistic way to master your energy. Curious how it all ties together? Now that you've unlocked these transformative techniques, the real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? The power to cleanse your energy, sharpen your focus, and align with universal rhythms isn't just for mystics or sages, it's for anyone ready to step into their potential. Imagine a life where your thoughts are clear, your emotions are balanced, and your energy flows effortlessly. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But dreams become reality when you take action. What's stopping you from starting today? Grab that crystal, light that candle, or prepare your salt bath. Each small step is a declaration of your intention to grow, to evolve, and to control your mental energy. What changes could you make in just a week of practicing these techniques? The possibilities are endless, and the results might just surprise you. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. Continue expanding your consciousness by watching the recommended video that you see on the screen right now.